In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the group ID in Zendesk. This is a handy piece of information to have when you're managing a range of different groups, as it helps you keep everything organized and ensures you're making changes to the correct group. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you have everything you need to locate your group ID effortlessly. So, let's get started. To begin with, you'll need to log into your Zendesk account and navigate to the Admin Center. It's here that you'll conduct most of your administrative tasks and find tools to manage your Zendesk environment effectively. Once you're in the Admin Center, direct your attention to the left-hand side where you'll see several options. Find and click on People. As the name suggests, this is where you'll manage users, teams, and, most importantly for today, groups. Once you've clicked on People, go ahead and select Groups. This will bring up a list of all the groups that have been set up in your account. Now, you'll want to find and click on the name of the group whose ID you're looking to identify. Selecting the correct group is crucial here, especially if you manage multiple groups with similar names or purposes. Make sure you've double-checked the group name before proceeding to ensure you're working with the right one. Upon clicking the group name, you'll see more detailed information about it. To proceed, find the Actions menu. It's typically positioned quite prominently on the page, but if you're having trouble locating it, look for a menu or button that indicates actions related to group functionalities. Once you've located this menu, click on it, and you'll see a list of options. From here, you'll want to select View Open Tickets. Choosing this option will redirect you to a page that lists all the open tickets associated with this particular group. Here's the key step. Once the page loads, turn your attention to the URL in your browser's address bar. This URL is more than just an address. It's where you'll glean the information you're looking for. Scan through the URL and search for a segment that looks something like this: /groups 3456789. The series of numbers in this section is precisely what you're seeking. That number is your group's unique ID within your Zendesk account. And there you have it. Simple as that. You've successfully identified your group ID in Zendesk, and you can use this information to better manage your support team, tailor reports, or integrate with other systems that require the group ID. Being able to quickly access this piece of data can significantly streamline your workflow and enhance how efficiently you navigate Zendesk's features. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Zendesk tips and tricks.